Hari Om. A gracious namaste to esteemed dignitaries both present on and off the stage. It is my duty to welcome all who have come to this conclave of Kesari Weekly, which is held by upholding the concept of bridging South. Kesari Weekly, which started its activities in Kozhikode, Kerala on November 27, 1951, has planned many ideological programs ahead of its 75th anniversary. Today, Kesari Weekly, a beacon of journalistic excellence, has evolved into the most subscribed mainstream magazine in Malayalam media, epistomizing nationalism and value-based media work. Kesari is the result of the efforts of Swargiya Shankara Shastriji, a Sangha Pracharak from Nagpur, and Swargiya P. Parameshwarji has gone beyond its initial infancy and has become a literal presence in Malayalam media that no one can ignore. The iconic Kesari Bhavan, nestled in the heart of Kozhikode, has transformed into a seven-storized media studies and research center, housing projects such as the Media Research Center, Research Library, and Mahatma Gandhi College of Mass Communication. Kesari had intervened in many socio-political and cultural issues, including the state of emergency, and has been relentlessly fighting against disruptive activities that have started in recent years centered in Kerala. Some media workers, political parties, and religious fundamentalists have raised an argument called Cutting South to prepare the ground of the idea of separating states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, and Karnataka from Akhanda Bharat by taking the money of enemy countries. Affirming that Kerala, the birthplace of Adi Shankara, who undertook the Digvijaya Yatra to fortify the cultural unity of Bharat, shall not become a breeding ground for separatism. Kesari Weekly and MACOM have resolved to host this conclave titled Bridging South across major cities nationwide. Let me proceed to my task of welcome the dignitaries, distinguished guests. This function is presided over by Mr. Babu Panikar, who is also the president of Kesari Conclave's organizing committee. He is the managing director of Panikar's Travels and a luminary in the travel and tourism business. He is a proud icon of Malayali community in Delhi, successfully working with many cultural service voluntary organizations. He is the patron of Delhi Balagokulam, vice president of Global Nair Seva Samajam, chairman of All India Malayali Association, and president of Saraswati Balamandir Senior Secondary School. I extend a warm welcome to Mr. Babu Panikar. Our first session features the Honorable Union Minister Sri V. Muralidharan, a stalwart of the Kesari family and a source of pride for Malayalis. As we all know, he is the Minister of State for External Affairs and Parliamentary Affairs. He has a long tradition of social and political work and has worked as a full-time worker of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad for a long time. He had worked as the All India General Secretary of ABVP. In 1999, he was the Vice Chairman of Nehru Yuva Kendra, and he has demonstrated commendable work as the State President of the Bharatiya Janata Party's Kerala unit, navigating the intricate challenges of a state like Kerala. I extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Union Minister, Sri V. Muralidharanji. Today, Manya J. Nandakumar will deliver the keynote address presenting the main theme of this conclave, that is Bridging South. He dedicates his life to the nation and works as a Sangha Pracharak. A native of Pandalam in Kerala, He started his social service as a Sangha Pracharak after graduating in automobile engineering. He was the Akhila Bharatiya Saha Prachar Pramukh, Kshetriya Bautik Pramukh and Saha Pranta Pracharak of Kerala. Above all, let it be remembered that he was the editor of Kesari Weekly. Now, he is the national convener of Prajna Pravah along with being the Akhila Bharatiya Karigari member of Sangha, leading many ideological missions. He is also the mastermind behind this conclave. A warm and respectful welcome to Sri J. Nandakumar, whose brilliance as an orator, poet and original thinker, and he was a writer also, has shaped the very essence of this gathering. Today, the vote of thanks will be delivered by Vishnu Aravind, a writer and research scholar at JNU. I extend a warm welcome to him. There are many famous dignitaries and well-wishers of Kesari who have graced us with their presence today. Each person ideally deserves an individual welcome. Due to the time constraints, I extend a collective warm welcome to all of you. Thank you all.